Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the shop. I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. As you can see, we're not in the shop. I just do not have any time. I have no time to get out there. I did manage to have some time to order something off of eBay. I think it's pretty cool. Let me show you what I picked up. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well, I ordered a whole bunch of alligator wrenches. For you guys who know, I do love me some alligator wrenches, and I bought a pretty nice little lot of them. So let's go through these real quick. This one I think is in the best shape out of all of them. This one's pretty substantial. It's got twin written on this side. On this side, it's got made in the USA, diamond with a W. And if I'm not mistaken, that is a Williams. That's a pretty nice looking alligator wrench. Quite happy with that one. That was pretty cool. This one here. You guys have seen this before. This is a crocodile. This is the Hawkeye Wrench Company. Looks like Marshalltown, Iowa. She's in relatively good shape. It does have the thread chasers in there. They look pretty good. They're not all gnarled up or anything, so that's awesome. Yeah, I like that one. This one doesn't have the little screw tip on the end like the other one I have, but that is awesome. These two wrenches are the reason why I bought that lot. I saw those two and I was like, yep, gotta have it. So next, got a little thin stamped steel one. I don't see any logos on here. I do say, well, I see US. I believe it's stamped BTF 1959. I have to do a little bit more research on there to find out what BTF is. That's pretty cool though. So it's alligator style, and it does have a little screw drive here on the end. So that is pretty wicked. I like that. And I believe that'll clean up really nice. Let's see. We got one of these chunky boys right here. These are pretty cool. I don't see these at all, really. I don't see any writing on this either. That's a shame. Yep, no writing at all. That's going to need some more investigation. This one does have something stamped on it. Oh, I can't tell. Jeez. I believe on this side it says 101. But this side, it looks like it's a V and something. Yeah, I really can't read it. That one's a pretty cool one though. Definitely needs a major cleaning. All of these do. They're extremely farm fresh. This little guy, it's got a number 1 on it. That's it. with this little guy here. I believe this is a number 1 as well. Yep, number 1. But again, no maker's mark. Not that I can see offhand, but right in that little size box it does say number 1. This guy here, this intrigued me. This is a never slip. I don't see these too often. 567, or is it 5.67? So it'd be 5th month, May of 67. Never slip. That's a pretty cool wrench right there. Be even better if I had the whole set of them, but I think there was 3 of them. Yeah, it's an awesome little wrench. This big boy here. This is number 2.5. WMB, I believe that's Whitman and Barnes. It's got the diamond logo. Hopefully that's showing up. That'll clean up really nice too. I think what I might do is a cleanup video on all these and then put them on the wall of love. I can't read it. It does have a mark on there. I believe it's 40. But I don't see a maker. That's a shame. Oh, and believe it or not, these make really good bottle openers too. So definitely clean this one up and make it a bottle opener for myself. And last but not least, we got this guy here. This one says, I believe it's a Billings number 20 Alligator wrench. 1897. I can see Billings on there. I can see 20. I can see where it says Alligator wrench. And I can read 1897 perfect on there. But the rest of it's gone. It's pitted up. Hopefully you guys can see a little bit of that writing right in there, right along there. That's a nice little wrench. Liking that. So there it is. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 wrenches, all Alligator style, for 30 bucks. Yeah, I mean that's a damn good deal, I think. Real good deal. I'm quite happy with that. What do you guys think? Throw it in the comments section for me. And that's it for this one. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Don't forget to put in the comment section what you guys think about the haul. And also, which one of these Alligator wrenches do you like best? I'm personally going to clean all these up in one shot. I think it would be a pretty cool video to see how they all come out. Let me know what you guys think. That's it for this one. Like always, stay safe, be safe, and we will see you next week with another. Bye.